YouTube. Today I'll be telling you about something that happened in my earlier video, the one that I posted earlier. It was the Rainbow Lucky Block Mod Showcase. Some weird noise happened around when I got the big tower. You can hear this in the background. I'll try to make my best impression of it. It was like, oh. Actually, it literally sounded like, guys, I'm not lying, dude. Like, I was by myself recording at the same time too. It makes it even more creepy. And, well, I don't know if my house has, like, spirits in it, because I'm not used to seeing spirits. Like, let's say one of my favorite YouTubers, Guava Juice. You know him for spirits. He makes a lot of videos of it. But I never had a spirit in my house, so I don't know what that sound was. Maybe there was someone maybe someone made that upstairs, but I guess my headsets or my recording is like really good. It can record sounds even if it's like 10 feet away, so I don't know. But anyways, dudes, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely slap that like button. I'm not going to say crushed, because I'm tired of saying that. You got to switch it up once in a while. Smack that like button and subscribe to Mr. Fluffy Brains. And I'll see you in the next video.